Hi everyone, this is Parul. Welcome to my channel. Sharing with all of you another short morning yoga practice to start your day with. Especially good for days when you are short on time and you still want to start your day with yoga. This is a great practice to do. It's a full body yoga stretch. It's short yet effective. So give it a try and see how you feel after this. So let's start. Sit in a cross-legged position and sit straight. Just close your eyes and relax your shoulders. And just breathe. Breathing is a great start to any yoga practice to build your focus, to help you relax. Just breathing in through your nose, breathing out through your nose. So just take few breaths at your own pace. Just follow the natural rhythm of your breath and just make sure you breathe throughout the practice. Allow your thoughts to settle in. Just disconnecting with everything you were doing before this. And let's take one deep breath together. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. On your next exhalation, open your eyes. Namaste. Let's continue with our practice. Okay, so let's start in butterfly pose, joining your feet together. Okay, and just doing this a gentle swing with your knees, moving up and down. Spine is long. Breathe. Just moving your legs up and down. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in and breathe out. Gently go forward, resting your elbows on your thighs, just releasing any stress in your lower back. Just go as far as your lower back allows you. Breathe. And release your hands if you want to. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly lift up, take your arms up, breathe in, breathe out, arms down. Okay, now just relax your left leg, rest your left knee down, take your right leg over left leg, ground your right foot and hug your right leg in with your left arm and twist to your right. Twist really good to start your day with, good for your lower back, great for energizing you, great for detox, drawing your right shoulder back, lifting the crown of your head, get your spine to lengthen, breathe. And on your next exhalation, come back to the center. Let's switch side. Rest your right leg down. Cross your left leg over right leg. Hug your left leg in with your right arm. Twist to your left. Ground your left foot on the mat. Breathe. Stay here. One more breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Okay, let's come back to the center. Come on all fours now. Let's do 3 rounds of cat and cow. It's my favorite to do it every morning. It's really energizing. Great for releasing the tension from your lower back and your spine. So just open your fingers wide. Wrist is underneath your shoulders. Knees are underneath your hips. Knees are hip width apart. Wrist shoulder width apart. And drop your belly. Chin up. Look up. Breathe in. And breathe out. Round your spine. Chin to the chest. Breathe in. Drop your belly. Chin up. Look up. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest. One more. Breathe in, drop your belly, chin up, look up. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest. Slowly get your spine to neutral position. Press into your left palm, lift your right arm up, open your body to the right. Breathe. And then you gently slide your right arm down, rest your right shoulder on the mat, then your head on the mat, extend your left arm forward or you can bind your left arm around your waist. Shift your weight slightly to the right. Make sure you're breathing, working on your shoulders. One more breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Release your left hand, gently rest your left palm down, slide your right arm back. Rest your right palm back on the mat. Switch side. Left arm up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slide your left arm down. Resting your left shoulder on the mat. Then your head on the mat. Extend your right arm forward or bind your right arm around your waist. Shift your weight slightly to the left. Breathe. Then you release your right hand, rest your right palm back on the mat, take your left arm back on the mat. Let's go for puppy stretch. Extend your arms forward, lower down your chest, rest your forehead down, take your hips away from your shoulders, breathe. Opening your upper body. On your next exhalation, gently draw your palms in. Let's come in baby cobra. Extend your legs back. Elbows underneath your shoulders. Press into your palms. Relax your toes. Lift your heart. Breathe. Stay here. Working on your lower back. Breathe. Then you lower down your chest, bend your right leg, left leg, Dhanurasana. Right arm back, left arm back. Hold your right, hold it from the outside of your feet. Kick your feet back in your hands, lift your thighs off the mat, lift your chest off the mat, relax your shoulders, breathe. Working on your quad muscles, working on your shoulders. Make sure there is no stress in your neck. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release slowly. Take your hands back underneath your shoulders. Press into your palms. Come in cobra pose, another variation. Breathe. Come on your knees. Get your wrists slightly ahead of your shoulders. Let's get in downward dog. So open your fingers wide. Press into your palms. Tuck your toes. Lift your knees up. Hips up. Breathe. Step your right leg forward, rest your left knee down, low lunge, right knee is on top of your right ankle, right hip slightly forward, open your fingers wide, really good pose for working on your hip flexor muscles. Breathe. Stay here. One more breath, breathing in through your nose. Breathing out through your nose. Then you tuck your toes for your left foot, lift your left knee up, take your left foot one step in, straighten your right leg and your left leg. Send your left heel back, take your head towards your right shin. You can be on your palms or your fingertips. See what makes you feel more comfortable here. Press your left heel back, take your head towards your right shin. Send your left heel back on the mat. Breathe. Then on your next exhalation, bend your right leg, plant your left palm down, open your body to the right, take your right arm up, twist. Right hip forward, right leg is bent. Keep breathing. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right arm down and then you slowly lift your left heel up, high lunge. Right leg is bent, arms by the side of your ears, lengthen your spine. Breathe. Stay here. Right hip forward. On your next exhalation, straighten your right leg, spin the back foot, open your body to the front. Right toes are pointing out. We get into triangle pose. Right arm out and then your right arm down, left arm up. Don't put a lot of weight on your right hand, okay? Left hand back. You can look up, look straight or look down. Keep breathing. Shoulders are in line. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently bend your right leg. Rest your left hand down. Spin the back foot. Right leg back. Go in downward dog. Breathe. On your next exhalation, step your left leg forward, rest your right knee down, low lunge on the left side, push your right leg back, left knee on top of your left ankle, on your fingertips, breathe. Stay here. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tuck your toes for your right foot, lift your right knee up, get your right foot one step in, straighten both the legs. Take your head towards your left shin this time. You can be on your palms or your fingertips. Press your right heel back on the mat. Take your head towards your left shin. Relax your neck. Breathe. And then on your next exhalation, bend your left leg, plant your right palm down, open your body to the left, take your left arm up. Breathe. Stay here. And then on your next exhalation, left hand down, lift your right heel up, bend your left leg, high lunge. Yeah. So just take your time to settle in here. Yeah, it's quite possible we feel unstable as soon as we come in high lunge. So just take your time, breathe. Arms by the side of your ears, lengthen your spine, sending your right heel back. Breathe. One more breath here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Then spin your back foot, straighten your left leg. Let me just show you from the other side. So your left leg is straightened, left toes point out, right toes point in. Open your arms at the shoulder level, left arm out, left arm down, right arm out. Triangle pose on the left side. Shoulders are in line, not putting a lot of weight on your left hand. Breathe. Stay here. And then on your next exhalation, bend your left leg, rest your right hand down, take your left leg back, go in downward dog, breathe. And then we end this practice in child pose. Rest your knees down, join your big toes together, stretch your arms forward, lengthen your spine, breathe. Just slow down your breath, just inviting the sense of relaxation in your whole body. Expanding your upper back, hips back towards your heels. And we are going to end the practice here. If you would like to stay here for slightly longer time, feel free to do so. I will see you again. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me for this practice.